Welcome to my video. My today's presentation is on what is a firewall. Today I will define, explain and explore what is a firewall. So let's start my presentation. First I will define what is a firewall. A firewall is a network security device that monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic and permits or blocks data packets based on a set of security rules. Its purpose is to establish a barrier between your internal network and incoming traffic from external sources, such as the internet, in order to block malicious traffic like viruses and hackers. How does a firewall work? Firewalls carefully analyze incoming traffic based on pre-established rules and filter traffic coming from unsecured or suspicious sources to prevent attacks. Firewalls guards traffic at a computer's entry point and called ports, which is where information is exchanged with external devices. For example, source address 172.18.1.1 is allowed to reach destination 172.18.2.1 over port 22. Think of IP addresses as houses and port numbers as rooms within the house. Only trusted people are allowed to enter the house at all. Then it's further filtered so that people within the house are only allowed to access certain rooms, like destination ports, depending on if they are the owner, a child, or a guest. The owner is allowed to any room, any port, while the children and guests are allowed into a certain set of rooms, like specific ports. Now I will discuss about types of firewalls. Firewalls can either be software or hardware, though it's best to have both. A software firewall is a program installed on each computer or regulates traffic through port numbers and applications, while a physical firewall is a piece of equipment installed between your network and a gateway. Packet filtering firewalls. The most common type of firewall examine packets and prohibit them from passing through if they don't match an established security rule set. This type of firewall checks the packet's source and destination IP addresses. If packets matches those of an allowed rule on the traffic firewall, then it is trusted to enter the network. Packet filtering firewalls are divided into two categories: stateful and stateless. Stateless firewalls examine packets independently of one another and lack context, making them easy targets for hackers. In contrast, stateful firewalls remember information about previously passed packets and are considered much more secure. While packet filtering firewalls can be effective, they ultimately provided very basic protection and can be very limited. For example, they can't determine if the contents of the request that's being sent will adversely affect the application it's reaching. If a malicious request that was allowed from a trusted source address would result in, say, the deletion of a database, the firewall would have no way of knowing that next generation firewalls and proxy firewalls are more equipped to detect such threats. Thank you. That's all from this presentation. This presentation was on a firewall. I have described firewall and little bit explanation on the firewall. I hope you like my presentation. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks.